kitchenfoundry.com. Happy to showcase the Italian brand Lofra range that was founded in 1956. Here we have the Dolce Vita 3750 watt oven featuring self-clean, convection, and true Euro convection. They've done a great job mixing and matching these power levels for your top burners, heading it up with your center burner at 18,000 BTU. This popular model features brass on matte black and a triple pane mirror reflected front door. Here we have a Curva model. It's going to be white on stainless steel. You have 9 functions in this cooking oven: bake, bottom bake, upper bake, broil, max broil, convection bake, convection, broil, defrost, a dedicated pizza mode, and fan assist. Explore various color options with Lofra. Here we have their Mastro series, which is essentially a retro looking oven. Lofra is also offering a full line of induction models. Impressive boost levels on this induction cooktop. They can accomplish this with 240 volts, 50 amp service, and their stainless steel is fingerprint resistant. Reach out to kitchenfoundry.com with the Lofra model of your choosing. With so many fit and finishes in the Lofra lineup, lead times can vary.